Hello, everybody. Hey, Divine Beings. Hola, Aquaba. I ask that you like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. So let's get a read. Let's see what messages Spirit wants you to know today. As always, take what resonates. Leave the rest. Always remember to flip and switch the roles. It could be he, she, he. Whatever the relationship dynamic. Thank you to all who have subscribed. I truly appreciate you guys. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to be part of the family. So hit the subscribe button, please and thank you. So let's see, what's the message for today? My nails is looking horrible, but I'm trying to let them breathe. I ain't done that in years. Let's see. Intuition. The red flags you ignore now will come back to bite you later. So if you're seeing red flags with somebody, it's important for you to not ignore them. So you have no, it's not the right time. Open up your heart. It will help you attract more love. Communicate, forgive, compromise, and work it out. Or compromise, my bad. So there's someone that wants to communicate with you. They want you to open up, and forgive them. But now is not the right time for this situation. Patience, just a few more months. Good things come to those who wait. So there's something that is happening in the next couple of months. Something really good that's happening, that you had to be patient for. Okay. So let's see, what's the thoughts, intentions, hopes, fears. So moving on. Someone is unavailable. A waste of time. It's over. So someone is thinking about the fact that you're moving on. They wasted your time. They're feeling like coming towards you might be a waste of time. But, the door was open, or they want the door to be open, but someone's moving on. Date night. Getting ready to be wined and dined. So somebody wants to come, this person want to come and wine and dine you, but it's over. You know what I'm saying? You feel like it was a waste of time, or this person wasted your time because they was emotionally unavailable to you, or didn't have time for you. What's going on in the environment? What's happening in the environment, Spirit? Somebody could be moving, could be changing their residence, moving in with a partner. Got a gold digger. They want your money being used. So in the environment, it could be seen that maybe you changed, you moved, you going into partnership with someone new. People could see that you was dealing with a gold digger, somebody that was trying to use you. Okay. What's going on in the environment, Spirit? What's going on in the environment? So it's seeing that you have a lot of luck on your side. Good things is happening for you. There's a commitment that's coming together. Things is about to get serious. This could be the good things that's coming in the next couple of months that you needed to be patient for. But you have good luck on your side. People are seeing you as very lucky. It's the outcome, Spirit. It could be a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or it could be an emperor, with this Aries energy here. But your guardians are watching over you. Your lost loved ones is with you at all times. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so. Please help the channel to grow. Truly appreciate it. Thank you. So there's a faded partnership I see coming in for you as well. This is someone that is very fiery, very passionate about you. There's also somebody that doesn't want to let go. It's in your energy. But you're breaking free. You're going into new cycles. Things is changing. So bottom of the deck is fulfillment. 9 of Cups energy. So there's a wish that's being fulfilled. There's something that's that you're gonna achieve, something that's gonna be very successful. But there's a happy outcome that's here for you. So let's see. Clarify this energy. So let's see. So it said, no, this is not the right time. Right? So forgiveness and apology, right? So it's somebody, like I said, that wants you to forgive them. You know what I'm saying? It's right here. Somebody that wants you to forgive them. This person is feeling guilty. They want to speak. They want to say something to you. This person was inside their south node. They was fear of letting go of the old to, start something new. They didn't want to change. They was resistant. They stayed in the south node is like not wanting to try new things, being stuck in old patterns and shit like that. This person wants to reveal some type of truth with this Sun card. Leo energy here. But it's not the right time for that. You know what I'm saying? This apology. So they want you to open your heart. So this person wants you to open your heart, right? They want to bring some type of clarity about what they did, the sabotage that they did, the manipulation, the unhealthy patterns. This is 5 of Swords energy. This is that trying to win at all costs energy, where nobody wins. So now this person wants to communicate. They want to bring some type of clarity. They want to all of a sudden speak the truth. This person feels like you're their twin flame. You could be, or just a high-level soulmate. You guys had a divine connection. This person is probably trying to telepathically communicate with you because they really want you to open your heart and forgive them for this sabotage, for this conflict, for trying to control you in a situation, for being manipulative. Communicate. So this person wants to communicate. They hoping that they could work something out with you. So you got spirit guides, assistants here. So you got divine guidance. So you're being divinely guided. You know exactly what you need to do. You know, there's signs and synchronicities that you're receiving. This person also could be getting some type of signs and shit. But you're very clear. You have clear clarity. You understand what I'm saying? Your intuition is heightened. You can see things very clear with your third eye. Like if anybody try to come and say something to you and lying, you're gonna see straight through them. So your third eye is lit up, right? Especially with your spirit guides here assisting you, giving you being divinely guided. So what's this moving on, right? So this person is fearful that it's over, that you moved on. Karma. Justice. So this is balance. Libra energy. You leaving, you walking away. This person is going through karma right now, but you was unfairly treated in that situation. You got autumn here. See, the past is over. You starting over. You had soul growth. Things is clearing up, and you set new intentions. This person wasted your time, and you leaving or walking away, closing the door, is actually balancing out something for you. You know, this is things being made right. This person might feel like they want to come towards you to try to make something right. You know what I'm saying? But they hoping that you could just let go of whatever happened in the past so that way y'all could start over. Okay, so in the environment, spirit. Look, Seven of Swords, right? Okay, so you're moving on, right? You change residence, or you change residence. This is being seen, or there's somebody that's very deceptive that is changing residence. This is the Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. Somebody trying to get away with something. Sometimes somebody trying to be very deceptive, but this person feel like they making a wise choice, but they deceiving themselves with this shit. In the environment, people can see that this person is this deceptive ass person, that they being sneaky and shit. They look. This is why you moved on. Bottom of the deck is stalemate, right? So this person is blocked because they wasn't seeing clearly. This person is at a crossroads. So in the environment, it all can be seen that this person is in a crossroads. But in the environment, you can see that luck is on your side, that you got good things that's coming and happening for you. You got new commitments that's happening. Justice is playing out for you. You got somebody with that was wearing a facade that you could see straight through, that you awaken to their bullshit. You may be also evaluating the long-term beliefs, things that you grew up with, things that people expecting certain things from you and shit like that. Like, you're not doing that shit no more. All that expecting you to be inside, conditioning and conforming to what it is that they want for you, you awake to all of that shit. And that's why you're making decisions. You know what I'm saying? You're making choices between which directions that you want to go. If you contemplating a lot of things, and the choices that you're making, the decisions that you're making, is bringing good things to you. So, in the outcome, you have a fire sign, right? So let's see. Or Emperor, let's see. The outcome. Right. So, definitely giving me boss energy, Emperor energy. You know, this is knowing your self-worth, right? This is being in a high vibration. And the Emperor would be in a high vibration. You know, you have high values and your expectations are different. Things that you expect from people and shit like that, or how energies move around you. You have boundaries set up. You're sitting on your throne, right? And you have somebody that you separated from that's longing, feeling abandoned. They feeling heartbroken and in grief. Well, let's get you an angel message. And then I'll close this out. Trying to make these a little shorter. Let's see. So you got Lord Janitza, right? So you could be Hispanic, you could be Indian, but Lord Janitza, right? This is the number 29, which adds up to 11, which is also giving me divine connection, twin flame energy, breaks down to a 2, choices and shit. But your path is being cleared. Obstacles and shit like that is being removed. So the road ahead is clear. Move forward and focus. And wait, the road ahead is clear. Move forward with focus and courage. When it comes to relationships, if things have felt a bit stuck and stagnant in the relationship, they may start clearing now. Do your part to clear up misunderstandings. Put yourself and your true feelings out there so you can move forward. When it comes to work, stay open to new opportunities. Take action and courage in your situation. When it comes to your home, clear paths in your home. Put things away. Clear any physical obstacle to help shift energies. When it comes to money, work through any money blocks that may be keeping you stuck financially. When it comes to well-being, take time to journal on the places and spaces you feel stuck and stagnant in your life. Set some intentions and make some changes in those areas to begin shifting that energy. When it comes to spirituality, visualize all the roads open ahead of you. You may like to work with a road opening spell. See any blocks being removed from your auric fields and know that the path ahead is clear. Work with yoga, chakra clearing, incense, and other cleansing tools. So to embody this energy, visualize all roads being open ahead of you, realizing that most of the blocks are self-created and means that they can be self-cleared, believing in yourself, taking steps forward, taking steps towards your dreams, even if you can't see the whole path ahead. So with Lord Janetza, he's clearing the path and he's opening things for you. So that was the read, Divine Beings. I hope that you like it. I ask you to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Love ya.